Hello friends, welcome to Find and Study. Are you excited to study in Turkey? If you're wondering how to apply for a student visa, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the student visa application process step by step. If you're ready, let's begin. Firstly, what documents are required? Here are the most important documents you need to prepare when applying. Passport. Make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months after your application. Application form, you can get it online or from the application center. Biometric photos, 2 photos. Flight reservation, no need to buy the ticket yet, a reservation is enough. Travel insurance, you need to have insurance for your trip to Turkey. Acceptance letter, the letter from your university in Turkey, should be in both Turkish and English. Payment receipt, a document showing the payment you made to the university. Educational documents, high school diploma, transcripts, and if applicable, a university diploma. Sponsorship letter, if someone is sponsoring your education, you'll need a notarized sponsorship letter. Bank statement, a statement showing your account activities for the last 7 months. Second, what is the application process? Got all your documents ready? Great! Now, let's go over the application process. You can't apply directly to the consulate, instead, you need to go through authorized application centers. Make an appointment to submit your documents and attend the interview. Remember, the process can take at least 1 month, so make sure to apply at least 2 months before your planned travel. Third, common mistakes. Here are some common mistakes you should avoid during the visa application. Travel insurance. Insurance bought from other places might not be accepted. It's best to get it from the application center. Bank statement. It needs to cover at least 7 months. If you submit 6 months, your application may be rejected. Flight ticket. Don't buy the ticket before your visa is approved, only make a reservation. Fourth, application fees. Wondering about the cost? The student visa fee for Turkey is $155. You can also opt for VIP service to speed up the process, for an additional $100. Fifth, things to keep in mind while waiting for your visa. What should you avoid after submitting your application? Don't buy your flight ticket until your visa is approved. If your application is rejected, double-check your documents and reapply. Make sure you're entering Turkey with the correct visa type. If you enter on a tourist visa, your application for a student residence permit will be denied. Students who do not require a visa to enter Turkey can apply directly for a residence permit after enrolling at the university. It's everything you need to know about applying for a student visa. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I wish you the best of luck in your educational journey in Turkey. See you in the next video, take care.